Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. I hope you're having a great day out there today. I'm having a great time here taking in the sun and the surf of Miami, Florida. If you've never been here, I highly recommend it. It's another picture perfect day. But what I want to tell you about, this weekend I'm going out with a group of investor friends and we're going to go look at, here comes another plane. That's the benefit of live and on location, right? As you can tell, I'm near Miami Airport. But in any event, we're gonna go look at some properties this weekend. And what I wanna tell you, we found some properties that were listed at $380, reduced to $299, $350, reduced to $300, $425, reduced to $350. So are there properties out there that get listed and 3, 4, 5 months later, they drop by $40, $50, even $80,000? Yes. So don't forget, a property is only worth what somebody is willing to pay for it. If you see a property, create a great deal by the offer you make. Go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.